In problem number 3, we're given a graph. In the y-axis has Vx and the x-axis is in regards with time. So as we see, as the time progresses, the Vx is going to go downwards. So the velocity is going to decrease over time. Now, we're trying to find out which graph will be similar to the first graph that have the same pattern. As I didn't have the options to look for, from what I understood from the video solutions is that in this case we have a parabola, and as it begins, the graph is going to go upwards until it reaches this point. Then the parabola is going to go downwards. So that means that in this case, this graph is going to be more similar regarding the displacement over time. So as time goes by, the velocity is going to increase. At a certain point, it's going to decrease. As we know, the displacement is going to be the velocity times time. So for this inverse parabola, we could say that the center point could be, let's say, 3, and this 5. So from now on, this graph, as the time goes by, it will go to the downward direction, in the negative direction.